There was uproar in Parliament as the opposition brought adjournment motions asking for a discussion on the NEET controversy, the controversy over the medical entrance exam. But in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it was not allowed. Congress alleged that Rahul Gandhi's mic, remember he's the leader of the opposition, that his mic was muted as he raised the demand for the debate, while Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge protested in the well of the upper house to get the chairman's attention, leading to an angry rebuke by Jagdeep Dhankar.
An uproar in both houses of parliament over the alleged irregularities in the NEET scam, with the opposition demanding an immediate debate and the government insisting on procedure, saying the issue could be debated but during the motion of thanks to the President's address. In the Lok Sabha, the Congress alleged that Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi's microphone was shut off when he tried to raise the issue of NEET.
कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें।
ठीक है, आप
डेडिकेटेड डिस्कशन। अब बात यह है कि दो फोर्सेस हैं, एक तरफ
नहीं माने ओके।
Rahul later put out this video saying that the government was preventing a constructive debate on the NEET issue.
Crores and crores of people, their family members are in pain. They don't know what is going to happen in the future. And it's important that we give them clarity. It's unfortunate that the government didn't want this. It's sad that the Prime Minister of India, who in fact should be leading the discussion, simply doesn't want to debate.
The opposition leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, raised the very important issue of NEET, and when he started to articulate the need for ruling as well as opposition benches to be in one voice on NEET, the mic was switched off.
देखिए, सरकार किसी भी प्रकार की चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन सब परंपरा और मर्यादा के अंदर होनी चाहिए। जब कल परम आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया जी ने अपने प्रारंभिक भाषण में परीक्षा के ऊपर खुद ही एड्रेस किया, ये सरकार की इंटेंशन को प्रतीत करती है।
The Lok Sabha situation led to multiple adjournments of the House, with the Speaker Om Birla later finally saying that the House will reconvene on Monday at 11 a.m.
Fireworks in the Rajya Sabha too over NEET. A big face-off between Chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar and Rajya Sabha LOP Mallikarjun Kharge after Mr. Kharge entered the well of the House.
आज का दिन भारतीय संसद के इतिहास में इतना दागी हो गया है कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता स्वयं वेल में आए हैं। ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है। मैं पीड़ित हूं, मैं अचंभित हूं।
ये उनकी गलती है, मैं बोल सकता हूं चेयरमैन साहब की। मैंने हाथ उठा रहा था, 10 मिनट हाथ उठाते खड़ा रहा, लेकिन उन्होंने हमारे तरफ देखा ही नहीं। उस वक्त मुझे अंदर जाकर उनका ध्यान खींचने के लिए मैं अंदर गया, लेकिन फिर भी वो उधर देख रहे नहीं थे।
The NEET crisis is expected to resonate in the Parliament next week also, even as the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha will convene. The opposition is all set to corner the government and the Treasury benches, saying that this is an issue that affects 24 lakh students, while the government is saying that it is willing to debate as long as the debate is within rules, and it has also said that it has done everything possible and is looking at a long-term solution to address the problem of students. But of course, the stalemate is likely to continue. With camera person Pawan Tiwari and Sushil Rathi, this is Vasudha Venugopal for NDTV.